Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox the GranVela LED Desk Lamp, take a close-up look and test it out. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. And going by the image of the lamp that's on the box, it does appear to have a flexible gooseneck. And the lamp is available in 3 different colors: red, yellow, and blue. This is the red model. So now let's go ahead and open up the box. And pop the lamp out from it, along with the other contents from the box. Make sure it's completely emptied out there, and then we can set the box to one side. Okay, so the GranVela LED Desk Lamp comes with a user manual card with the ramp scent branding. Okay, so now let's put that down. And of course, it does come with a USB DC adapter cable here. And of course, let's go ahead and undo the cable tie so that I can show you the length of the cable, which is always good to know. So being a USB cable like this, you can use your own adapter or plug it into a laptop or computer. Okay, so that's the cable length there, which is a nice length. Now let's go ahead and set that down, and then go ahead and remove the desk lamp from its plastic packaging there. Okay, so as I've mentioned, this is the red model, or the model with the red accent, and it's available in yellow and blue as well. So you can see there is a deep red color or accent or trim around the head of the lamp. So it's nice and flexible, as you can see, very bendy indeed. And of course, there is a soft touch sensor at the bottom, and at the rear is the DC plug or connector to charge or power the GranVela LED desk lamp. So just spinning it around, let's see what we can do. So it's highly flexible and it pretty much stays in place, which is very nice to see. So there is little to no resistance at all in terms of positioning or setting the gooseneck of the lamp to whichever desired position quickly and very easily. And of course, there is a decent weight to the base of the lamp, so that means the lamp will remain relatively stable with the different positioning of the lamp right there. So very handy indeed. And just to check the underside, so there are 4 silicone non-slip feet at the bottom of the base. Okay, so now let's go ahead and turn it on already. So let's go ahead and tap on the soft touch sensor. Okay, so it does need a charge. Let's charge it up and come right back. Okay, so I've given the LED desk lamp a few minutes to charge. As you can see, it is still charging. There is a red LED charging status light there, showing that it is still charging. But let's go ahead and disconnect it, because it does light up. I did test it very briefly. Okay, so let's set the USB cable to one side. And of course, I have to show you the lamp head right there. And then let's go ahead and turn on the GranVela LED Desk Lamp by pressing on the soft touch sensor button right there, so you can see it light up. So there are several lighting modes or brightness levels, and give you a close-up look at the lamp head right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and set it down to a nice position where you can see the beam of the desk lamp clearly. And let's go ahead and move the USB cable to one side, of course, so we can shift the lamp further up and up a bit higher as well, just like that. And then we can check out the brightness, of course. So we've just turned it on. As you can see, it is in the initial brightness mode. And let's go ahead and check out the rest of the brightness modes. So there we go. So that's the next level up and higher and off. So 3 brightness levels, starting with low, medium, and high right there. And then of course turning it off right there. And let me set the neck a little bit higher, so it will be off frame, but let's keep it realistic, because at the position that was shown earlier, it was quite low indeed. So how about now? Okay, so this is the lowest beam, of course. So it has a decent flood for a desk lamp with such a small round head. And of course, let's get it to turn off. So a little bit tricky there, getting the button to work. Okay, so it does need a nice tap on the button to work, but just quite fine there. Perhaps I was stretching a bit with the camcorder in the way, but as you can see, very responsive indeed with the 3 brightness levels, and of course turning it off at the final setting as well, just like that. So nice and effective desk lamp right there, with a very twisty and bendy neck. So I can see it being repurposed for macro or product photography. If you're into some home photography, taking pictures of your trinkets and little collectibles, this can come in very handy with a neck like this. So that's the GranVela LED Desk Lamp. Thanks for watching and happy shining!